today, so be nice. Repeating decimals to fractions.
This is our notes for this week.
Yep, but not very many. This won't take long. Assignment's short too.
My name is Christopher.
All right, here we go. For a terminating decimal, 0.7. What's the fraction for 0.7?
0.7.
7 tenths.
Tenths.
Okay? This is the tenths position. That is 7 tenths. Okay? But if I change that to 0.7 repeating, there is only one place that is repeating. So I need one digit underneath, and it's not a 10. It is a 9. That is 7 ninths. Look at the difference here. 0.7 not repeating 7 tenths. 0.7 repeating 7 ninths. Yes.
So it's not the same with every single decimal?
Every repeating decimal mostly. There are a few exceptions, and we'll talk about that in a minute. But it's really that simple, okay? Then you have to reduce your fraction if you can. These don't reduce, so you're done. But let's talk about some that you have to reduce. .85 repeating. I should have done .85 not repeating first. Let's do that one first. Not repeating is 85 hundredths, right? Which 5 goes into both. So you take 5 into 85. Goes once. 35 goes 7. It's 17. 5 into 100 is 20. You reduce that to 17 over 20. 0.85 repeating is not 85 over 100. It's 85 over 99. 2 decimal places, 2 repeating decimals, 2 decimal.
Is it always
2 nines.
9?
Yes,
Okay.
as long as the whole thing's repeating. If it's partial repeating, that's a different story. We'll talk about that later if we have time. Again, does this reduce? So you'd have to go, okay, 99, 3 goes into that, 9 goes into that. Does 9 or 3 go into this? 8 plus 5, you add the digits, that's 13. 3 doesn't go into those, so 3 doesn't go into 85. You're done. But always reduce if you can. A lot of us know what point three is, right? 3 tenths. 0.3 repeating. What fraction is 0.3 repeating? You should have that kind of memorized. Everybody seen that one before, right? Well, we're going to find out. 3 over 9. We got how that works?
Wait, so is this always going to be 9?
9 or 99 or 999.
19?
It depends about the decimal.
Depends on how many decimal places you have.
So
3 ninths reduces to 1/3. So 1 divided by 3 is 3 repeating. Let's go 3 decimal places since you asked. 4.325 repeating. Is 4 and 325 999ths.
what?
3 places, 3 nines.
Wait, so why don't we have to put the 4? Why can't we put the 4 in?
The 4 is not under the line. Okay? Only the ones under the line make the 9s. Okay? Out of 999. That's the easy part. Do I have time for the hard part? Yeah, I think I'm going to show you a couple of
Why is
them.
there a hard part?
There just always is.
It should be.
It's a lot tougher when only one of the positions is repeating. No, this is not 25 over 99. Sorry, it doesn't work that way because only the 5 is repeating. We use algebra to do this.
So is it 5 over 10?
Nope.
5/9.
Got to use a new method for this.
And 5/10.
So I say x is equal to this. I have one position, so I multiply both sides by 10. Instead of, if it's two positions, I'd multiply by 100. Three positions, I multiply by 1,000. One position, so I multiply both sides by 10. I put it above it. If I multiply this by 10, it moves the decimal place 1 over. So this becomes 2.55, repeating. Line my decimals up, and then I subtract. This is an introduction to this year. You'll do more with this next year. 10x minus 1x is 9x. 2.55555 minus 0.255555. These 5's cancel each other out. 2.5 minus 0.2 is 2.3. Subtract, subtract. Fractions do not have decimals in them, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 10. 90x equals 23. Then I divide by 90 to get my final answer, 23 over 90. Grab a calculator, see if I'm right. 23 divided by 90. Look at that.
So you were right.
0.255555. These are all 5s. It rounded the last digit. That's really a 5. It just rounded it up at the end.
So are we done with square roots?
Oh no, you got a test on it next Friday. So we got a lot of practicing you have to do with that. We'll still practice it every now and then. You got Pythagorean theorem, you got square roots, you got cubed roots, you got decimals like this. I won't put this one on the test, but you get maybe I'll give you one to practice like this. But these will be on your test. Okay? These you got to know how to do. This one is just a little extra something to show you that it works
That's
even
what
for
you
this.
next year?
Yeah, you'll deal with more of that next year, yeah, in Algebra 1.
It's
Okay.
gonna be on the
But
FSA.
that's an introduction to that, just so you how algebra works in this and how you use algebra to do stuff.
Is all your stuff gonna be on the FSA?
I don't think they'll have this on the FSA, I don't think, but these very possibly, yes. Okay? This is more of a memorization thing, right? It's just, okay, if it's repeating, then I put 1 9 underneath it. Double repeating, 2 9s. You just got to have to remember that. Get your journals. Gonna have you do pages, let's see here. 159, 160. You have 5 minutes to do this, literally, because it should be really quick. 1 to 4 and 8 to 10.
Take the video off now, or they just gonna watch it for 5 more minutes?
I'm telling, I saw you weak at me.
I'm going to show these problems on my video, and then, yes, I'll turn it off. Those who are at home want to work on them.
You lying to me.
For those of you who are at home, oops, I grabbed the wrong thing.
I did this yesterday.
159, so we're doing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those problems. And then 8 through 10, 8, 9, and 10.
Wait, what?
8, 9, 10.